Okay, so going back to modules, I can see now that I have turned in all of my bonsai lessons. And so now I can go to my internet safety notes. And so all this is a Google Doc. So I will get this Google Doc and I will add it to my folder for this class. With our Cornell Notes page, we will fill out the top and then we will answer the quick right. I think digital safety is important because. So we finish the sentence. And then we have what do I do online? So list a couple of things that you do online. And then there's another question right here. How many hours on the internet do you spend in a 7-day week? There are 168 hours in a week. We spend about 40 hours at school. And so how many hours do you think you spend online? And so with our digital safety tips, I added my first one right here. Don't share your address. And once I did that, if I just hit enter, then it'll give us a numbered list. And in the instructions, it tells us that we need to have 15 internet safety tips. Sorry, I went to the one pager first. So back here at the notes, you need to have 15 tips and you need to be thinking about writing them in a way that a third, fourth, or fifth grader would understand them. And so if we're talking about, hey, don't send pictures that are revealing. Like don't send pictures that you are not covering up the things that your swimsuit should cover up. Okay. Or don't be sending pictures that, your grandma might not be okay with. How might you word that so that a third, fourth, or fifth grader would understand it? Okay. And so we'll get 15 tips down here in our notes. And then at the very end, there's a summary. How does being able to teach someone else about internet safety make you a safer individual online? So you answer that in a complete sentence, and then you will go back to Canvas and you will use the Google icon to turn in your assignment. So you'll turn in the notes. If you need help coming up with internet safety tips, I have a presentation that you can open up, and I have tips listed. There are a couple of videos on the presentation as well, so you are welcome to watch those. So things about being private online, making sure that you are not going and meeting people you don't know, right? What is an online predator? Someone who basically wants something from you, who's preying on you and is not safe. So that's what an online predator is. Someone who you don't know who's trying to get information from you. And then also cyberbullying, not being a bully, and not using the internet to hurt others. And so there are tips here if you need them. And then once you're done with your notes, you're ready to go to the one pager.